Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to use GitHub Beginners Tutorial. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply search for GitHub like so. Then you want to choose the first option. And of course, you want to sign up using your account. So here, Mike, is I will simply click on sign up. And now I will add my email, password, username, and the country and the region. Then I'm going to click on receive occasional product updates and announcements. And the good thing is that you can actually log in using a Google account. So now after finishing, simply click on create account. And here we go. The verification has done. Now I need to enter the code that they have sent me. So now here, as you can see, they have sent me this code. I'm gonna copy it just like so. Then I will add it right here. Then I'm gonna hit the continue. And now you will have to sign in using your own email. And here we go. This is the interface. And now you need to learn how to search on GitHub. Here on the top right side, you have this search menu. You can simply type here something like comfy UI, then search for it. And here you have thousands of results. As you can see, we have 11.6 thousand results. So you can go on any one of them and see all its details. And if you feel overwhelmed by all of these results, you can simply go to the top right side here and click on this filter icon. Then choose most stars, and this will show you the most reliable resources and the results. You can even sort by folks, by best match, and so on. And now let's randomly go through any one of them. I'm going to click on this one right here. Now here on the top right side, you can see the about menu. And this is in fact a small conclusion about the project or the results right here. And when you scroll down more, you can see here the README section, and you can see more details about the project. And here, when you scroll up to the deployments, this is where the devs add or drop their deployments and codes. So when you click on them, just like so, it will show you how are the codes itself. This section of README explains features and uses. And it can also have some screenshots and more in this section. And here you have the releases section. This is where you can actually find the APK files and other things that you can actually download from this project. And now let's say that you have a problem. In order to solve your problem, you just have to go and click on issues right here. And here you can see many issues that people faced during the coding of this thing. And you can even add a new issue by simply clicking on new issue right here, then enter your issue. And the good thing is that you can customize the font, as you can see right here. And once you are all done, click on create in order to set your issue to the issues section right here. Now you need to understand the concept of stars. Stars for the code is like the likes on Facebook or the loves on Instagram. So if you like this project, you just have to click on the star button in order to give it a star and in order to spread the knowledge among devs. And now let's talk about the Explore tab. You just have to click on these three lines. Then you want to go and click on Explore. And now GitHub will show you some of the projects that might interest you. And another thing that you can do is to simply click on Topics. And here you can see more and more options. And if you want to see the trending topics nowadays, you just have to click on Trending. And here you can see what is trending this month, today, this week. You can simply click on this filter and see what's trending today or this week or even this month. You can even choose the language right here, the developing or the coding language. Here you have many options, as you can see. Now, if you want to get inspired and enhance your creativity, you can even choose to follow some developers. So simply click on developers right here in the trending. And here you can see many developers that you can actually click on them like so and follow them and see their projects. So as you can see, this developer right here pinned these projects. You can follow him if you want to see all his projects from time to time. And the good thing is that you can find many things on GitHub. You can find free APKs, free books, free courses. All of them are costing nothing. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.